In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a PayPal button to your Wix website. So for that, you want to sign into your Wix account, click on Edit Website, and basically go into the classic Wix editor, okay? So don't go to the Wix ADI, but go to the actual Wix website editor, which is over here. So once you're here, you'll see your website, and then you want to click on Add right here. Next up, you'll find all of these, right? So you find all of these different sections and features. You want to find button right there. And then once you click on that, you'll find theme buttons, text and icon buttons. And if you then scroll down, we should actually find PayPal as well. There you go. So right there, related apps, PayPal button, PayPal Stripe payment, subscriptions and donations. Now you can do it like that. So you can click right there on add to site and click on add app, and that's pretty much how you can add a PayPal button, okay? So that's one way to do this. I'm not sure why it's not showing up. It's probably because of this stupid website that I'm using. Oh yeah, there it is. So right there you then find this PayPal buy now button. Now if this is not exactly what you're looking for, I recommend clicking on add and then clicking on more, and then right there you find PayPal buttons as well, a PayPal donate and a PayPal buy. Simply click on it and it will then appear right here. So this is the donate button right there. If you want to see the other one as well, I'll just click on buy now, and here it is. So that's pretty much how you can add a PayPal button to your Wix website. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would appreciate that, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.